If your Volvo's infotainment system is stuck on the Infotainment System Starting screen, it means the system isn't loading correctly, likely due to software glitches or corrupted data. The primary immediate fix is a force reboot. Press and hold the power button or volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This clears temporary memory. For a hard reset, consider disconnecting the car's battery for 5 to 10 minutes. This resets the ECU and infotainment module. Volvo's systems, particularly in models from the 2010s to early 2020s, XC40, XC60, XC90, etc., using the Census system, are prone to this. Newer models and updates have reduced the frequency, but this remains a common troubleshooting step. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures can worsen the issue. To prevent the infotainment system starting issue from recurring, prioritize software updates through the Volvo Cars app or Volvo On Call app for older systems. Use the app to check for over-the-air updates, ensuring your vehicle has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection during the download process. The update process demonstrates version progression, showing how regular updates improve system stability. If problems persist despite updates, perform a factory reset through the settings menu, but remember to back up your data first to avoid losing preferences. Volvo's transition to Android Automotive OS aims to reduce these issues, but older systems require regular updates to maintain reliability. By keeping your system up to date, you can significantly decrease the chance of encountering the stuck screen and resolve issues without visiting a dealership. The trend is towards more reliable, user-driven solutions with improved over-the-air updates.